A Chinese proverb says, "Learning is a treasure that'll follow its owner everywhere." To further increase my engraving skills, I signed up for a next level Bulino engraving class taught at GRS facility by Jake Newell. Before I start showing the Bulino engraving project, I just want to share briefly about my experience in the GRS training facility. I have taken several different levels of engraving classes at this training center and have always been pleased with the facility accommodations and with how well they are prepared for hands-on training. This time they have updated the take-home binders with beautiful, rich instructions on various topics pertaining to engraving techniques, tools, equipment, setup, and so on. The new skills and knowledge gained in this class will definitely open a new realm of possibilities in my next level of engraving. The project I'm about to share was started in the class and I completed it at home. Enjoy the video and let me know if you have any questions. This was an absolutely great class and project. I want to thank Jake, the instructor, and GRS for facilitating these type of classes. Please subscribe to this channel and click on the red bell if you want to see new videos like this in the future. I'll see you next time.